welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I'm Kevin, and if you're a first time here, came back to look at another video but haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button right there. Alright, so here in New Mexico, you can order a New Mexico burger, and everybody knows that a New Mexico burger is a tortilla burger, and it has green chili either on the inside or you can get it smothered with the green chili sauce. And here in New Mexico, you can also have both red and green, which is called, of course, Christmas style. And so New Mexico burgers are awesome, and today I'm going to switch it up. We're going to do a New Mexican tortilla dog, and this tortilla dog, it'll have you know, green chili in the hot dog wrapped in a tortilla. So check it out. For these tortilla dogs, we got to grill us up some hot dogs first. Now these are the extra large all beef hot dogs. These are the best kind, I think. Get the extra large ones, all beef. Just got to roll them around on the griddle there. Get a nice little char to them. And then after we get them a nice char on them, I'm going to throw some flour tortillas on the grill and warm them up for a few seconds. Flip them over. Then after I get them warmed up, I'm going to move a few of them over to my tray here. Well, first I'm going to get some cheese on here. I'm going to put some pepper jack cheese on here and let it start melting a little bit. We like pepper jack cheese. Obviously, you could use any cheese that you like. American cheese, cheddar cheese, whatever cheese, any cheese. Just don't cut the cheese. Okay, so after we get all the cheese on here, the pepper jack cheese, let me move 3 of these over, and I'll add a hot dog to each one. I'm going to put them over towards the edge. And here in New Mexico, we gotta have green chili on our tortilla dogs, right? Let me get this tray. I apologize for trying to do this one-handed. I didn't bring my tripod out, and I do apologize for that. Anyway, got some green chili, and I'm gonna add some green chili to each one of these, a nice amount. If you don't like it hot, well, then it wouldn't be a hot dog, right? Or a tortilla dog. We love green chili here, so I'm adding some green chili to each one, and then I'm also going to throw some diced onion in there too. You can put whatever you want. It doesn't have to be green chili. You can put ketchup and mustard or onion or however you like your hot dogs. Just put them in a tortilla. Make sure you got some cheese on there, and then you roll them up. It's a little hard to do one-handed, but I can do it. Get it rolled up. I got all 6 of them rolled up, and then we put them back on the Blackstone. I added a little butter on the griddle, kind of brown them up a little bit. Just toast them a little bit, and here you go. Bam. Look at that. Oh man, these are delicious.